What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing the serial filler to fill the credentials case. We got Grant on top, Grant on bottom. I'm gonna first go live. We're live at 5:57. 5:57. Take this, drag. Grant on top, Grant on bottom. And we got 1 through 0 right there. Guys, we're going 3 times on each list. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. Chris, you're on top. What the hell? There we go. And 3 times on the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. 8 on top. 7 on the bottom. Chris, you got 8. Danny, 4. Grant, 0. Eric, you got any 101s. Patrick, you got 2. Grant, 5. Patrick, 6. Marty, 9. Jeremy, 3. And Kyle, 7. We are do my last timestamp for you guys. Done. 5:58. Just turned 5:59.